Let's do unbox with me! I decided to get a new mechanical keyboard kasi some of the letter keys are not working with my old one. I've been using it for more than a year and I tried na ipaayos kasi mahal talagang bumili ng bago pero no choice kasi disposable daw. Good thing I found this very affordable Leaving Key 28 mechanical keyboard. It comes with a paper manual and a Type-C USB charger. It's also a RGB backlight display with 17 backlight modes and has an ultra-compact of 61 keys layout. What I really love about it is that it supports Bluetooth and USB wired dual mode connection. Without USB, it can connect up to 3 devices at the same time, which is 5.0 compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android system. Not only used with a computer but can also be connected to a laptop, tablet, or mobile phones. The battery has 1,600 mAh and rechargeable din. Meron ding color blue, black, and pink na pwede mong pagpilian sa halagang 888 pesos lang sa Shopee. Sa mga gusto nito,